Hey there, aspiring real estate investors. Welcome back to Bryton the Realtor channel. Today we're kicking off a masterclass for beginners on real estate investment. Whether you're looking to build wealth through rental properties or flip houses for profit, this video is for you. I'm Bryton Daniel, your trusted advisor in real estate, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this exciting journey. Let's dive into the world of real estate investing. Before we dive into the masterclass, let's ensure we're all on the same page. Real estate investment involves purchasing properties with the goal of generating income or appreciation over time. It's a powerful wealth building strategy that offers numerous benefits from passive income to long-term growth potential. Now let's get into the meat of our masterclass with 5 key lessons for beginners in real estate investing. Number 1, educate yourself. Start by educating yourself about the fundamentals of real estate investing, including different investment strategies, market trends, financing options, and risk factors. Knowledge is power in the world of real estate. Number 2, set investment goals. Define your investment goals and objectives. Whether it's generating passive income, building equity, or achieving financial freedom, having clear goals will help guide your investment decisions and keep you focused on your long-term goal. And 3, evaluate investment opportunities. Learn how to evaluate investment opportunities, including analyzing potential rental income, calculating expenses and returns, assessing market conditions, and conducting due diligence on properties. Number 4, build your team. Surround yourself with a team of professionals who can help you succeed in real estate investing, including a real estate agent, property managers, contractors, lenders, and accountants. A strong team can provide valuable expertise and support throughout your investment journey. And lastly, take action. Take action and start investing in real estate. Whether it's purchasing your first rental property, flipping a house, or investing in a real estate investment trust, the key is to take that first step in building your investment portfolio. Are you ready to kickstart your real estate investment journey? Consider checking out foreclosure.com. a resource that provides the best real estate deals for savvy home buyers before they hit the market. By targeting distressed deals such as bank-owned homes, pre-foreclosure listings, and foreclosure auctions, foreclosure.com offers significant savings. Plus, when you use my affiliate link in the description below, you'll receive 7 days off your first order. Thank you for joining me today for our masterclass on real estate investment for beginners. Remember, real estate investing is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and be patient as you work towards your investment goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Until next time, happy investing.